Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a morning game changer, the Breville Drip Coffee Maker. If you are tired of weak coffee or machines that take forever, this one brews bold barista-style coffee right at home. Imagine waking up to a rich aromatic pot ready in minutes or setting it up the night before for your perfect cup. No more waiting or tasteless brews. This machine makes your coffee routine fast, flavorful, and easy. Stick around because by the end you will see why the Breville Drip Coffee Maker is a must for coffee lovers. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost and get the best deal on Amazon. Alright, let us dive into the features of this coffee brewing star. The Breville Drip Coffee Maker is a 12-cup machine with a 60-ounce water tank, perfect for families or big coffee drinkers. Its 1,650-watt heater brews at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for deep, rich flavour. The stainless steel body looks sleek, measuring 12.5 inches tall, 6.7 inches wide, 8.3 inches deep, and weighing about 6 pounds. It has a digital display with a clock and programmable auto start, so your coffee is ready when you are. You can choose regular or strong brew strength, and the bloom function pre-wets grounds for better flavour. It includes a reusable gold tone filter, but paper filters work too. The glass carafe keeps coffee hot, and a keep warm plate runs for 2 hours. There is a pause and serve feature to grab a cup mid-brew. Cleanup is simple with removable parts, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Price is around $200, a solid value for premium brewing. Now, real talk, pros and cons after brewing pots for weeks. Pros first. Number 1, the 1,650-watt heater brews hot and fast, under 7 minutes for a full pot. Number 2, brew strength control lets you pick your flavor. Number 3, the bloom function boosts taste like a pro. Number 4, auto start saves morning time. Number 5, pause and serve lets you grab a cup early. Number 6, easy cleanup with removable parts. Overall, it is a dependable machine for daily coffee. Now cons, because honesty matters. 1, the $200 price is higher than basic models. 2, the glass carafe can break if mishandled. 3, it is bulky for small counters. 4, no cold brew option. 5, the display is bright at night. 6, paper filters cost extra if you skip the reusable one. Here's the truth. The pros make it a winner for most. If you drink coffee daily or host brunches, this machine's power and flexibility are perfect. Not for tiny kitchens, but for quality brews, it is a yes. My recommendation, grab the Breville Drip Coffee Maker today. It upgrades your mornings with bold, effortless coffee. Click the referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your coffee mug will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews and click the link to support us. What is your go-to coffee blend? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.